Mariko, host of Culinary Adventures with Mariko. Today I'm going to show you how to make a sweet and spicy orange oriental sauce. To get started, you want to get a small saucepan and then add 2/3 cup of orange juice. If you use fresh squeezed orange juice, it's going to give it a little bit more tang. Then you want to use the juice of a half of lime. Add a tablespoon of brown sugar. Add a tablespoon of minced garlic. Add a 1/4 cup of soy sauce or tamari. And then add a tablespoon of rice wine vinegar. Stir everything together, and then you will want to put it on the stove at low to medium heat for just a few minutes. While the orange juice and the rest of the sauce is heating up in the saucepan, I am going to make a cornstarch mixture. The cornstarch mixture is what's going to help the sauce get really thick. In a small bowl, you want to add a tablespoon of cornstarch. Then add 2 tablespoons of water. And then mix together with a fork until it's smooth. If you added the cornstarch with the rest of the ingredients over the heat, it might get all clumpy and then you have pieces of cornstarch in there. So by mixing the cornstarch with the water first, it ensures that the sauce is going to be nice and smooth. Now I'm just going to add the cornstarch and water mixture to the rest of the orange sauce. And pour it into the bowl. Let the sauce come to room temperature, because then it will give it a chance to thicken up even more. Now the sweet and spicy oriental orange sauce is ready to go over your favorite veggies, noodles, or meat. This is Chef Mariko showing you how to make sweet and spicy oriental orange sauce.